Hi everyone! Hi grade 4! Once again, I am Teacher Jane and welcome to our math class. In this video, we will be discussing Activity 2 of Quarter 2 Week 2 in your activity sheets with the topic Least Common Multiple or LCM. Open your activity sheets on page 16 and let us talk about the instruction. In this activity, find the least common multiple or LCM using continuous division. But how do we find the least common multiple of two numbers using this method? Let us study the given examples. Find the least common multiple or LCM using continuous division of 18 and 30. First, all you need to do is to find the least common prime factor of these numbers. So what is the least common prime factor of 18 and 30? Very good, 2. Write 2 at the left side and then divide the given numbers by their least common prime factor. Write the quotient directly under the numbers. So 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Repeat the process till the quotients in the last row are numbers that do not have other factor aside from 1. Next, find the least common prime factor of 9 and 15. Write it again in the left side, then divide. So, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. In the set of quotients, 3 and 5 are already numbers that do not have other factor aside from 1. When you reach this point, the next step is multiply all the least prime numbers from the left and the coprime numbers left in the last row. So, 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 is equal to 90. Therefore, the least common multiple or LCM of 18 and 30 is 90. Let us have another example. Let us find the least common multiple or LCM of 14 and 24. First, find the least common prime factor of 14 and 24. So what is their least common prime factor? Very good, 2. Write 2 at the left side and divide the given numbers by 2. Write the quotient directly under the numbers. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. And 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. In the set of quotients, 7 and 12 are numbers that do not have other factor aside from 1. So proceed to the next step. Multiply the prime number from the left and the numbers left in the last row. So 2 times 7 times 12 is equal to 168. Therefore, the least common multiple of 14 and 24 is 168. This is the end of the instruction for Activity 2. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Until next time, good luck!